Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about differentiability. This is module 5 of your calculus 1. So the topics we are going to tackle is all about definition of derivative, differentiability, reasons for non-differentiability, and lastly, the relation between continuity and differentiability. Ayan. So what is the definition of a derivative? So let there be a function y is equals to fx defined in a certain interval. Okay? The function y is equals to fx has a definite value for each value of the argument x in this interval. So, parang sinasabi nga lang, kung ano yung nilagay mo na value ng x, there is a definite value of y. Okay? Let the argument x receive a certain increment. So, for example, may increment. Pag sinabing increment, small change. Okay? Let's say 0.001, positive or negative 0.001, for example. Then the function y or the value of y will receive a certain increment delta y din. Okay? So, kung ano yung konting pagbabago ng x value, may katumbas na konting pagbabago sa y, yun ang ibig pong sabihin ng derivative. So, parang dy over dx, the ratio, okay, ng pagbabago ng y over pagbabago ng x. Okay? Limit when delta x approaches 0. Okay. So, ang derivative ng x or derivative ng function of x is equivalent to the limit of the function f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x as delta x approaches 0. So, ito po yung pinaka-formula natin. Okay. So, for example, find the derivative of the function if the function is equals to 1 minus x plus 2 plus x. Okay. Ano ba yung formula? F prime x. Palitan natin yun. Okay, ang formula ay f prime x is equals to the limit of f x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. Okay? Yan yung formula as delta x approaches 0. Okay. Okay. So, apply natin f prime x is equals to the limit of 1 minus x plus delta x over 2 plus x plus delta x minus the function 1 minus x over 2 plus x all over delta x. Okay? As delta x approaches 0. Ayan. So, simplify natin. Okay? A common factor. So, 2 plus x plus delta x times 2 plus x divided by this 1. Matitira is 2 plus x. 2 plus x times 1 minus x minus delta x minus this 1 divided by this 1. Ang matitira ito 2 plus x plus delta x times 1 minus x all over delta x or simply dito na si delta x. Okay? So, limit when delta x approaches 0. Simplify further. Okay. Expand natin to 2 minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus x minus x squared minus x delta x. Okay. Ayan. Minus, dito naman sa kabila, 2 minus 2x, okay, plus x minus x squared plus delta x minus x delta x all over 2 plus x plus delta x, 2 plus x delta x. Okay. Next. Okay. Sulat natin to ng maayos. 2 is this one negative 2. Okay. Sulat muna natin 2 minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus x minus x squared minus x delta x. Distribute natin yung negative. Negative 2, positive 2x minus x, positive x squared minus delta x, positive x delta x. Okay. 2 plus x plus delta x, 2 plus x delta x. Okay. Ngayon, magka-cancel out si 2. Si 2x. Okay. Si x. Okay. Negative x squared, positive x squared. Meron pa ba? Si negative x delta x magka-cancel saka si x delta x. Ang matitira is negative 2 delta x, negative delta x, which is equivalent to negative 3 delta x. Okay. Tapos copy the denominator. Okay. 2 plus x delta x. Okay. Magka-cancel ulit si delta x. So, ang matitira dito, okay, nag-cancel sa delta x, so negative 3 na lang, and then delta x approaches 0, so substitute natin si 0 here. Ang matitira is negative 3, 2 plus x times 2 plus x, okay, so 2 plus x squared. So, ito na po yung derivative natin with this function, okay, so that is the final answer. Next. So, paano naman to? What is the derivative of this function? So, ganun ulit. The formula, f prime of x is equals to x plus delta x cubed minus 1 minus the function itself, x cubed minus 1 all over delta x. Okay. Nakalimutan natin isulat yung limit. F prime x limit when x approaches, delta x approaches 0. Ayan. So, simplify natin. Limit delta x approaches 0. So, this one is, pag in-expand natin to, this would be equivalent to try natin yung squared muna, diba? X squared plus twice the product 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Then multiply natin ulit siya ng x delta x minus 1 minus x cubed plus 1 all over delta x. Okay. Limit of delta x when approaches 0. Multiply natin x cubed plus x squared delta x plus 2x squared delta x plus 2x delta x squared plus x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 1 minus x cubed plus 1 all over delta x. Okay, ayusin natin. Limit approaches 0. Okay. X cubed, x cubed, x squared, o magiging 3x squared delta x. Okay. Ito rin magiging 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 1 minus x cubed plus 1 all over delta x. Okay, may magka-cancel si x cube, si minus 1. Okay, magka-cancel si delta x dito. Dito may mawawalang isa, dito may mawawalang isa. So, the answer would be 3x squared plus 3x, may matitirang isa dito, delta x plus may matitirang dalawa, delta x squared. So, limit approaches 0. Yung delta x, 0 ito, 0. So, 0. Ang matitira na lang na f prime of x is equivalent sa 3x squared. Okay? So, this is our final answer. Okay? So, next. So, instantaneous rate of change, the physical meaning of derivative. Okay, ito is one of the application of the derivative, dy over dx. Okay, suppose y is a function of x, say y is equals to function of x corresponding to a change. O, ito yung kanina, diba? From x to x plus delta x may increment. So, from x, yung susunod na value niya is x plus delta x. May increment na konti. The variable y changes from f of x to fx plus x. Okay? So, the change in y is delta y is equals to f of x plus x minus f of x. So, ito yun. Okay? And the average rate of change of y with respect to x over the interval from x to x plus delta x is ito. Okay, so dyan nakuha si dy over dx. So, ganun ulit. Same lang. Okay, same formula. Let's try this. The position of a particle is given by the equation of motion. S is equals to function of t, which is 1 plus t. Okay, where t is measured in seconds and s in meters. Find the velocity and the speed after 2 seconds. Okay. So, we know sa physics, diba? S is equals to ds over dt. Okay. Kung ito yung s natin, then we have to derive this. Kung ito yung s, v is equals, kasi velocity pala, is equals to ds over dt. Velocity and the speed. Okay. Kung ito si s, then we have to derive this. Okay? Derivative v is equals to the derivative of 1 plus t. Okay? Ayan. Then we have to derive. So, pag dinerive natin siya, f prime t is equals to 1 plus t plus delta t, minus the function itself all over delta t. Okay. Nakalimutan natin isulat yung limit. F prime t. Limit when delta t approaches 0. Okay. So, simplify natin. Common factor, 1 plus t plus delta t times 1 plus t. This one divided by this one, 1 plus t times mo sa 1 minus this one divided by this one na matitira ito, 1 plus t plus delta t. Okay? So, simplify further all over delta t. So, nandito si delta t. Okay, simplify further. 1 plus t minus 1 minus t minus delta t. Distributed yung negative. Okay. 1 plus t plus delta t 1 plus t delta t. Okay. So, magka-cancel to. Ang matitira is delta t. Negative delta t. 1 plus t plus delta t. 1 plus t delta t. So, magka-cancel to. May matitirang negative 1. 1 plus t plus delta t. 1 plus t. Okay. Yung limit natin, hindi natin naisulat. Limit when delta t approaches 0. So, palitan natin to ng 0. Ang matitira dito is negative 1. 1 plus t times 1 plus t. So, 1 plus t squared. Okay. Ang sabi niya, find the velocity and the speed after 2 seconds. Okay. 2 seconds. So, negative 1. 1 plus 2 squared. This is negative 1 over 3 squared or negative 1 over 9 meter per second kapag velocity may negative. Pero pag speed, 1 over 9 meter per second. Okay? So, this is our final answer. Bakit po may negative yung velocity? Kasi the negative and the positive direction, negative and the positive means the direction. Okay? Direction of the motion. And pag speed is wala siyang direction. Okay? Ang velocity kasi is vector. Okay? Kaya may direction siya. So, in this case, negative 1 over 9 meter per second. So, it's going to the left. Yung velocity niya. Okay? Let's proceed. Another application of the derivative is the slope of tangent, the geometrical meaning of derivative. Okay? Let's say, for example, you have a curve and then at certain point may tangent line. Makukuha mo yung slope na yun by getting the derivative of that line. Okay? So, ganun ulit. F a plus h, imbis na delta x, naging h minus f of a over h. Pero same concept. Okay? For example, find the equation of the tangent line to the parabola. Okay. You have to derive this. Let's say, you have to derive the equation of the curve to get the slope of the tangent line. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, we have to derive this. F of x is equals to x squared minus 8x plus 9. Okay, then let's derive to get the slope of the tangent line. F prime x is equals to x plus delta x squared minus 8x plus delta x plus 9 minus the function itself, x squared minus 8x plus 9 all over delta x. Okay. So, f prime x, this is limit when delta x approaches 0. Okay, limit delta x approaches 0. Simplify natin. Ito ay magiging x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 8x minus 8 delta x plus 9 minus x squared plus 8x minus 9 all over delta x. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung magka-cancel. This one. Okay. So, may matitira na limit of delta x. Okay. X squared. X squared, magka-cancel din si x squared. Ang matitira is 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 8 delta x all over delta x. So, magdi-divide si delta x. Okay, ang matitira dito ay limit of delta x when approaches 0 to x plus delta x minus 8. Okay, delta x approaches 0, so 0 ito. So, ang final answer natin, f prime x is 2x minus 8. Nagbigay siya ng points, okay? Ang x is equivalent to 3, so 2 times 3 minus 8. So, this is equivalent to 6 minus 8, which is negative 2. So, meron na tayong slope. Ngayon, ang hinahanap is the equation of the tangent line. So, if you remember our lecture sa equation of the line, that is y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. So, let's apply that. Y minus y1, that is y plus 6 is equals to negative 2, which is the slope, x minus 3. Simplify natin, y plus 6, negative 2x plus 6 cancel. So, the equation of the tangent line is equivalent to y is equals to negative 2x. So, ayan po ang final answer. Okay? So, let's proceed. Ito naman. Example number 7 of let f of x is equals to x squared minus 4x plus 7. Find the average rate of change of f with respect to x between x equals 3 and 5. Okay, so let's derive this first. F prime x limit as delta x approaches 0. So, x plus delta x squared minus 4 x plus delta x plus 7 minus the function itself. Okay. All over delta x. Okay. So, f prime x limit delta x approaches 0, x squared plus 2x plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared, okay, minus 4x minus 4 delta x plus 7 minus x squared plus 4x minus 7. So, divided divide natin siya ng delta x. Ang matitira dyan ay limit delta x approaches 0. Cancel. Okay. Cancel si 4x. Si 7 cancel din. Okay. Ang matitira dito ay 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 4 delta x all over delta x. Okay. Cancel si delta x. Okay. Limit delta x approaches 0 to x. May natirang isang delta x minus 4. Okay. Approaches 0. So, 0 to. Limit delta x. So, 2x minus 4. Ngayon, 3 and 5. Okay, so function of 5, kasi from 5 to 3, minus function of 3. Okay, so function of 5, 2 times 5 minus 4. Okay, minus 2 times 3 minus 4. Okay, this is 10 minus 4 is 6. Oops. 6 minus 2 times 3, 6 minus 4 is 2. So, the rate of change is equivalent to 4. Okay? The rate of change of x from 3 and 5. Okay? The final answer is 4. So, that is our, okay, meaning of sign of derivative. Okay, remember that a positive derivative signals an increasing. Kapag positive ang sagot mo sa derivative, increasing quantity. Okay, pag negative, that is decreasing quantity. Okay, you just have to remember this. Pag positive ang delta y over delta x, that is increasing. Pag negative ang delta y over delta x, that is decreasing. Okay? So you just have to remember this one. So that is the first topic of module 5, which is differentiability. Thank you very much for listening.